captured photos with a Ricoh camera and ended up with J6I image files? This is an image format from older Ricoh digital cameras. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and convert these Ricoh camera image files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single J6I file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. J6I files are image files created by older Ricoh digital cameras, particularly the RDC series. They contain photo data with embedded EXIF metadata, camera settings, and image information stored in a Ricoh-specific format used in early digital photography. J6I files use Ricoh's proprietary camera image format with structure similar to JPEG but with custom headers and metadata. The format includes camera-specific EXIF data shooting parameters and thumbnail previews, used by Ricoh camera software for photo management. The J6I file originated with and is formally handled by Sage Thumbs developed by Cherubic Software. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows doesn't process full raw metadata, so photo adjustments demand dedicated imaging tools. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the J6I file and hit Open with. Test Sage Thumbs if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your J6I file will not open, do not worry. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, opening with Ricoh software. Install Ricoh's camera software, like the RDC Image Loader or DC software, bundled with the original camera. Launch the application and import the J6I file. The software displays the image with full metadata and provides export options to standard formats like JPEG. Next, trying Universal Image Viewers. Open the J6I file in IrfanView, XinView, MP, or GIMP, which support many camera image formats. These viewers may recognize the J6I format directly or via plugins. If the file opens, use Save As to convert to JPEG for universal compatibility. Finally, renaming to JPEG. Try renaming the J6I file extension to JPG and opening in any image viewer. Since J6I files are JPEG-based, the rename file may open correctly in standard viewers. If renaming doesn't work, use dedicated camera raw conversion tools for proper extraction. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.